Hi everybody, I'm here for a quick video. You can see I have two Traveler's Notebooks here. I have a Sojourner in the Levi in the field note size, which I have an unboxing for. I'll try and info card it up here. And then this one is a fake fake Midori in like what they would call the camel color, and it's in the personal size. And that's the reason we're here, is, get those out of the way, I got a package in from Rowena at Sojourner, and these seem to be the only scissors I have, so I'll use these. Here. We'll slice the top up here. I'm going to go down to, I have one more thing coming from Rowena, which will be here on, I guess, early next week. Here we are. Got everything out of there. So you can see we have our little R sticker, which I'm going to try and save. I'll take a lay that higher though. So, one of my favorite leathers that Rowena has is this beautiful Roadrunner. I have a passport, a field note, a not a B6 Slim, a like standard Midori size, and an A5 in the Roadrunner. And I have, you know, some Chic Sparrows and others that are really quite thick leather that are nice, but I'm wanting something thin like this Midori leather, kind of like the Levi leather that I have right here. So I asked for Rowena to make me just a classic, you know, a unstitched, beautiful piece of Roadrunner leather. Isn't that gorgeous? And I love, because it's a pull-up leather, the seam or the spine, you know, because of it, the folding gives it a slightly different color. But look at all the beautiful reds in that. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And see the inside, and the inside is a beautiful brown. All of mine are like that. Like here was my first one that I got from Rowena. This is a passport, and it had a really cool stamping on it or marking on it from the leather manufacturer. And what you can see, so this is a beautiful brand new piece. This is a piece that I've had for almost 2 years, and look at all of the beautiful markings and where the corners have gotten bent, and see the spine is a slightly different color. So I wanted something like that for all of my personal inserts. Now, Rowena always sends a tea, and she sent my favorite. She sent a Tazo Earl Grey. This is my favorite tea. And she always sends a wonderful letter with her initial, which that's what that is at the front, the R. And since I have this open, see if you can see her website, sojournerusa.net, her Instagram, Retrochurers, same thing with YouTube and Periscope. And I will link Rowena down below. So I might have that later today. I might make myself a London fog. Let's see. And since this is a copy of a Midori or a Traveler's Factory notebook, it has just the one elastic, this one, this camel. And actually, I've been using this quite a bit since it came. And you can see how it marks up quite nicely. It, I don't know if it's leather. It doesn't smell like leather. It doesn't really feel like leather. It has this weird nap on the inside, which looks like some sort of a woven stuff. I'm really not sure what it is. Yeah. But I like it. It's cute. It looks like a Midori. It looks like a camel. And so that's why I was using it. Because I have a tendency to want to pack too much stuff into, like when I was using my Chic Sparrow or my Boho Dory, because those are cut quite, you know, with lots of room. I have a tendency to want to put just too much stuff in them. So let's see how we're going to set this up. So first things first, I have a Peaky Dory design. This is that Louis Vuitton paper that I have. Monthly calendar with my design made my day. Whatever you want to call them. Tip-ins. So I have that, and then I also have a folder. This thing came with, you know, 3 inserts, a folder, and even a zip, like one of the PVC plastic zipper pouches. So it, you know, for how much or how little you pay for it, you get quite a bit. So I think I'm going to put that on the first elastic. There we are. Now, let's see. This right here is my folder of Craftex material by Taroko Shop. And I've been using that around last month's insert, my March from Coco Daisy, my monthly, you know, with where I keep all my to-dos. But it's April now, so here's my beautiful April. I took some of the washi tape and, there we go, and put washi tape. It was a long process, and this glitter doesn't want to stick down. I might have to glue it. And then use some of the ephemera from the planner kit. Some stickers and some die cuts. And normally what I've done in the past is, like I always put some paper there. I've got a quick brief view of my month. It's a very busy month. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. Usually I do like some monthly goals or thoughts about the month. But in the past I had done, you know, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But I decided this month I'm going to do 1 day per page because some days I just didn't have enough room, especially on the weekend with rehearsals and concerts and stuff. So I'm going to try that and see how I like it. And then what I could do is it could be like work, home, other, or just a random list. But so I rounded the corners for that. So we're going to put this on the second elastic. Then what I have here is, this is one of those fake, just like this fake Midori. This is, it's like the Faroof zipper pouches that I have, like the real Traveler's Factory ones. But this is in personal size. And you can get it from AliExpress. And it's actually really reasonable. I think it's like $12 for the personal size. And it's actually has a nicer piece of zipper hardware than my Midori one does. It's like a really pretty zipper. So I'm going to put that in the back, I think. I don't know. And then I have one more insert here. It's a Peaky Dory design, what's it called? Dot grid, where I'm keeping track of all of our bills and such. And then I have this one in here. This one, the grocery list and meal plan, is from, I think, Burke's Printables. I will find that link on Etsy and link that down below. It's a very nice insert, and we're gonna put it to use today as we go grocery shopping. So I just printed one of those and inserted it in the middle of my dot grid. So look at that. See, that's perfect. And I actually might not need that extra folder. I might not need 2 folders in here. But see, look how nice that is. Perfect. It's not too thick, not too big. And actually one way where we can make it thinner is the way I had it in the when I had it was on only one elastic. These. See? So I'm only using actually 3 of the elastics, so there's an extra elastic in there. But look how beautiful that is. So these are going to be the 2 notebooks that I use for my personal stuff for the month of April. Just these 2 notebooks. I am going to be resisting the urge. I do have one from Oh Hello Stationery coming, but that is in the A6 size, and that is going to be for keeping track of students and university stuff. So that's a completely different purpose for a notebook. So like these are the ones I'll take with me everywhere. This one right here is my Traveler's Factory. You can see right there. See if we can get it good under the light. And this one is my Olive. Like here you can see the Faroof zipper pouch, right? It's the same material, same, you know, cotton, 100% cotton that's been starched. It's got, you know, the card pockets. But this is my kind of like memory keeping planner thing. Like, this is this week. I was very busy this week with teaching and rehearsals for Holy Week is always a busy week. But here's my April. I use some of the Cocoa Daisy printable stuff. But what I'm thinking of doing is doing a maybe a flip through of this one, which I started in, and see, you can see I love that Tazo Earl Grey tea. I kept all of the tea tags. That's something I started to do, and a photo of my, those are 2 of my Chic Sparrows with a matcha latte. Rowena loves those, and I actually do too. But you can see Earl Grey everywhere. There's Tim Hortons Earl Grey and Trader Joe's Earl Grey. But I think I might do a flip through of this on one of my Tuesday tea talks. Maybe that's what this week will be. That's a little Seamus. But I started this in, I want to say September. And I can see I'm getting close to running out of time. Nope, I started in August. And it ended just not too long ago. February? Yeah. The very beginning of March. So that's August through March, and then or through the beginning of March, and this will be probably March through the end of July when I finish it. So I will do that. I'll plan that for a Tuesday tea talk. But I just wanted to share with you my new beautiful notebook from Rowena in the Roadrunner leather. And I will link that below and everything that I have in here. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. You know, give it a thumb up or a thumb down. Doesn't matter. Either one's fine. And click the little bell and subscribe if you want to see more of my planner videos, because I've got some great things planned. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.